Ooh, it's heating up. We diving right in.
Hear me okay? Ma'am, let me be very specific. Did you talk with Miss Willis about her romantic relationship with Mr. Wade?
Yes.
Did Miss Willis tell you on more than one occasion that she was engaged in a romantic relationship with Mr. Wade prior to you leaving the district attorney's office?
Did she tell me or did I observe?
I'm saying right now what to tell me.
Yes.
Did she tell you that in the year of 2020?
Yes.
In the year of 2021?
Yes.
Are you certain that Miss Willis told you about the romantic relationship with Mr. Wade prior to November 1st of 2021?
Yes.
Now, did you also have observations of Mr. Wade and Miss Willis together prior to November 1st of 2021?
Yes.
And are those observations, were those in a social setting?
Yes.
And did you observe them do things that are common among people having a romantic relationship?
Yes.
Such as, can you give us an example?
Hugging, kissing, just affection.
All before November 1st of 2021, correct?
Yes.
That's all I have.
It's hard to beat them witness accounts, man. When the witness take the stand, it's hard for the jury to ignore that.
Being shortly thereafter, correct?
A lie. That's one of your lies.
Okay. Do you know Robin Yurdy?
I know her as Robin Bryant. I knew her. So Robin did not go to my college. She went to the college of, I went to Howard University. She went to Morgan State. I met her through some people I knew. In college, we hung out a bit. Not much because she was in Baltimore and I was in Washington, D.C. But we hung out a bit. After college, I lost contact with her. I probably didn't see Robin again until maybe 7 or 8 years ago, a chance meeting here in Atlanta, but we did not have a consistent relationship from when I left college and came to Emory Law School here in Atlanta. But 8 to 10 years ago, just by happenstance, I ran into her. So she was in Atlanta.
You have been friends with Robin for 30-something years.
Did you hear my answer, madam?
You've been friends with her. Don't try to denounce her now. You know, like y'all definitely got a lot of history and you confided in this lady. You was comfortable enough to express your personal business in front of her. Whether it was, direct communication like you was telling her, or you was just openly doing stuff in the office and around her so she could see. Now you saying like, oh, she ain't my friend. I don't even know her like that.
Yes, and I'm asking if you've been friends with her for 30-something years.
I've known her for 30-something years. We certainly hung out and partied together in college. She was from the D.C. area. She would come home, we'd party together. Wasn't close, but she was certainly in the girlfriends that partied together. And then, like I said, I ran into her about 10 years ago in Atlanta, Georgia. But we didn't talk throughout that time period. I didn't see her. I didn't even know where she was. When I ran into her, I was surprised she was in Atlanta. And so, yes, I have known her probably since 1990, 1991, but we have not maintained a consistent relationship that whole time.
For the last 10 years or 5, whatever you'd like to classify it as, have you been friends with her?
I have not spoken to Robin in over a year. I certainly do not consider her a friend now.
So if y'all didn't talk throughout that time period, how she know all of this stuff? This woman is under oath saying, that she's seen this relationship out in the open way before you guys is saying that it happened. How she know all of this stuff? Why would she get up on the stand and lie in front of everybody, the world, the judge, and possibly get herself charged and ruin her reputation? That don't seem right to me.
I think that she, there's a saying, no good deed goes unpunished, and I think that she betrayed our friendship.
So let's narrow it down.
That's what it was. You felt like she betrayed your friendship. The thing is, you just got way too comfortable in front of everybody. You probably ain't know, you know what I mean, that you was going to be this high profile at the time. Maybe you did. And you know, you just got too comfortable. Remember, Miss Willis, you are a professional, a public figure, and you're held at a certain statute, a certain standard. It's looking like that you just was doing whatever you wanted to do, whenever you wanted to do it. And people was holding you accountable for that. That's what it's looking like. I'm just saying.
Mr. Wade is a Southern gentleman. Me, not so much. You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. And I think in one of your motions you tried to implicate I slept with him at that conference, which I find to be extremely offensive. So let's be clear, because you lied in this. Let me tell you which one you lied in. Right here. I think you lied right here. No. This is the truth,
Judge,
And it is a lie.
She is super feisty. And this is the lady that's supposed to be charging and convicting and trying Young Thug for a RICO case. That's crazy. Look at the level of professionalism. This is the DA from Atlanta, a high-profile DA that's charged Trump and his team with some things, and she's charged anybody that's high-profile in Atlanta that she feel like been doing wrong with some stuff. YSL, Lucci. She behind all of them rappers getting booked like that. But I don't think that stuff gonna make it through. I don't think it's gonna make it through, because we starting to see a lot of character flaws and a lot of unprofessionalism going on with a lot of this stuff this lady been doing. So we gonna see.
Talking about professionalism. No, while we're talking about professionalism, she put in 3 different documents. He lived with me.
So the cash that you gave him, that could have been used to pay the tax lien off?
You gonna tell me how to pay my bills? And you said, when I chose him, I didn't inform people of a personal relationship. We have defined personal as romantic. It is an inaccurate way to state the question.
Then I will certainly restate it so it is very accurate.
Okay, and please do not yell at me. And I've been very anxious to have this conversation.
This is just some fragments. These are just fragments of what's been floating around the internet, and very feisty, very unprofessional. I'm anxious to see, what happens at the end of all of this. Is she gonna be removed from Trump case, and what's gonna happen with any of her cases moving forward? It's something going on here. You know what I mean? I don't know what it is. I'm not here to accuse her or judge her, but it's something going on here that it don't seem right. It don't seem right. And they really scrutinizing this woman for whatever reason. So let's keep our eyes on it and see what happened, man. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I'm going to see you on the next one. And remember, these videos is for educational and entertainment purposes only.